Good evening once again. If you just joined us, this is the Upper Live Show. We broadcast here in UK each and every Tuesday from 9 p.m. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragonasta, Fire Q, Liquor Brown Rasta, Breadback, we're there and we bring to you one of the best in the business right here inside our studio. But before we get to that, remember the show is sponsored by the Granaries, the best UK club right here in Croydon. So make sure to check it out each and every week, all right? And also by Styler London, so any t-shirt, jumpers, and anything you want to be printed, that's the company you need to get in touch with. Also, Self-Paid, Unstoppable, having a nice little promotion right now. So if you want to get your hoodies, your vest tops, or anything, just link them up on Instagram and make sure you go and support, all right? But right now, the special guest is here, Top Girl, Chanel Moore is in studio. Good evening to you. How are you doing?
Anything want me wear, me buy that. Me no walk and borrow girl clothes. Oh, go on, it's a real top girl inside.
Of course. Thank you very much for joining us in the studios. We really appreciate you forwarding to the Up and Live show team, We're grateful for the presence.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And what's the reason for you being in the UK?
Well, I am here on my UK exclusive tour, so you don't know. I knocked out 2 shows. I got 3 more left. Sheffield, Manchester, and Aldershot, respectively. Yeah.
Okay. So how has UK been treating you so far?
It's been good. Can't complain. It's a different environment, different cultures, but I love different, so it's good.
Of course. And we see you out in the street. Can we see I put some posts on your Instagram and that's it. Real top girl posts. And you know what? I was quite impressed with the scenery.
Oh yeah?
Not just the look of the outfit, but the scenery is quite, that's a statement.
Alright.
Who knows?
Yo, she damn workplace, miss her though, isn't it?
Is it? Where's that?
She went Buckingham Palace, bro.
You were at the palace. Did you meet the queen?
What you say?
Still, what you say?
Royalty.
Good response.
Buckingham Palace.
Of course. Chanel Moore, lyricist, singer, poet. To me, I'll call you a poet because when I listen to some of your songs, I hear like it's poetry.
Thank you.
For you as an artist, you have so many different sides: the dancer, the DJ side, and the singing side. Which one do you rather doing?
I love the singing.
You like singing?
I love the singing more than the DJing.
Is it?
Yeah, the DJing is a plus, but I definitely love the singing.
Any particular reason as to why you prefer the singing?
Because I'm a more what I call it?
Vocalist.
Yeah, I'm a vocalist, and I love to deliver more emotion. I think you deliver more emotion when you sing than when you're just DJing, because DJing is more hardcore.
Yeah.
How did the singing start out, to be honest?
I've been singing for a long time. I've been singing since I was as far as I can remember, as I was a child. So it started out long before. The DJing actually came with after going into Magnum Kings and Queens. That's when it really started.
Oh, was it in Mag? I never know that. That's dedication.
Yeah, I
for me.
was.
Yeah, she was in my
the research.
Yes,
Jaja.
we did. I did see that.
You look like I wrong research me I do.
She did, and basically the voice for me, yeah, your voice sounds to me as if you had some formal training of singing. Did you have any formal training for singing?
No, I did not. This is all self-made.
Yeah.
In a church. You sing at church.
That I never training.
Okay.
Formal training. That
Oh,
was
so
church.
it was a church thing. So
Church was church, because
See
I
there?
sing at
Choir.
weddings. I sing at
So you had that
school,
voice.
I was always
well,
singing.
let me ask you this: so why most Jamaican artists start out in church, then they branch out into the dancehall space?
Because that's the culture.
That's where you learn to do music.
You grew up with okay, so remember, before you get to your adult stage where you make your own choices, you had to do what your parents told you to do. So if my granny say, yeah, church you go, church me I go.
So you're from a strict Christian background, I'm guessing.
Well, yes, but what's your definition of strict?
Like church every Sunday or Saturday. Which
No
one
sex
of them
before
you
marriage.
go? No sex before marriage. Skirt or your knee kind of thing.
Well, it was a strict upbringing, but it was a good outcome, obviously.
Yeah. So when did you decide to get the bad girl Chanel Moore out there?
I'm not a bad girl, I'm a top girl. What you talk about?
Yeah, the bad girl top. See, I'm
No, the
thinking.
top girl.
Yeah, the top girl
The
part.
top
Alright,
girl.
my bad.
Me a top girl, me not a bad girl.
The
There's
top
a
girl part.
difference.
When
Yeah.
I decide to get that out there?
Well, honestly, that came with the over time of the journey in itself. That was created due to having to be independent, having to be rough in the business because the business requires that. So that girl there, she emerged during that process.
And
Sasha Fierce.
we realized that most of your break came through the lockdown, because that's when I started seeing the music more.
Yes.
And I realized, because your music is full of so much lyrical content, at the time when you were getting your break, it was mostly like the gimmicky songs them were in. You were one of the artists that was mostly doing like lyrical stuff, especially like for your 3D. If you listen to what it's saying, it's painting a vivid picture of whatever you're doing in it. But you know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
So are you?
Rick, can you say it?
Hmm?
Can you say what she said this song is?
Listen to me, no man. Let's left that alone. Stick to the point. So for Chanel Moore being a lyrical, is it always your intent to be such poetic in the songs, or it just comes naturally, or what?
I'm just gonna say it comes naturally, because that's just a part of me. That's a part of who I am and a part of what the work I do, and how I work rather. The lyrics come naturally, the vibe come naturally, the melody, everything just comes on its, come through Chanel Moore being who I am.
We need one translation for you,
What you want?
because I need you to define who is a Yamabella.
You need me to define who is a Yamabella?
Yeah, because I understand the concept in my head, but I need you to hear from you to tell us who is a Yamabella.
All right. So in the time frame of the term Yamid was being used very widespread. Basically, I refer to any woman that probably mind man, or woman we get up and just
There's
sit on the
nothing wrong with
roadside
that.
every day.
Nothing wrong with that.
You asked her
Can I
question,
finish,
allow her to
please?
explain it, please, sir.
Can I finish?
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, the
Yes.
flip.
There's nothing wrong with woman. Them woman they were mind man.
Them there.
Them the
Not
woman they
you.
were mind
Yeah.
man, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But are you getting anything in return? Is it being reciprocated?
It's a
Then there's a difference.
Yeah.
If a woman just get up on a mind man, just a mind man go on, so I fear her life, I mash up, and she not have nothing to elevate, and she not grow from it. I don't see the sense in that. Don't know you're a Yamabella.
Yamisha.
Okay, you're a
Yamisha.
you're a whole farm. Okay, sweetheart.
So,
So there's a problem with that. But you see now, man, I big up the girl them, man, know so when they spend on them and them, man, spend on them.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now you're a
It's a
top girl, because you
reciprocation.
understand. There's a reciprocation.
For your record,
Okay?
Let me ask a question.
Woman.
So can man be Yamed too?
Then I have to talk them.
May I ask you, if man can
Look
be
how much
Yamed?
different kind of yam. You have white yam, you have yellow yam. Talk true, no, man.
Just ask you, cause
What
me
you
know.
mean?
So that means a whole if a Yamed a walk about in a dance, I go let them a top man.
May I tell you?
Jaja.
May I tell you?
So can you graduate from a Yamen?
Of course.
To a what?
Because most women, every woman I am at one point in them life.
Alright.
That is how they
Yes.
know. No, of course.
Birds
But
leave
the
them
thing
alone.
is now, if you stay a Yamed,
And don't
then
graduate.
alright, then
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
a problem.
So them
There's
a
a
don't see a made.
Because in order to love or in order to be in a
Yeah.
relationship, you're going to be vulnerable to the person.
Yeah.
You have to be unless you're a real chopper.
Yeah.
But you
So-
know, say there's a cut and go
But,
through.
but even the chopper them gone with the
Yeah.
vulnerability.
Yeah.
In the quiet. You understand?
Yeah,
Them going
of
like
course.
say them
'Cause all of them, some of them where you see going like I said, them are
them
bad
ball
man
like
and
baby.
man.
Them ball like baby.
Instead of
Yo,
stuck in a
yo.
corner,
What?
Yo.
Ball like baby.
Yo, Jaga,
Talk
Jaga,
true,
Jaga, it's a
yeah.
quiet, Jaga.
Talk true.
It's a quiet right now.
No, yeah.
It's a
Don't
quiet
for
right
them,
now.
it's them
Hold on,
go
Ball
them
like baby,
go
don't.
cry
Right.
like
Hold on,
a
hold on,
baby.
Jaga,
You
Jaga.
never
Don't make
believe
we
say
talk
them.
on the business on
Jaga,
the road.
Jaga.
Never
Let me
believe
just-
say
Jaga,
them.
normally they answer that question in a long time. Yeah, quiet
Let
for
me just,
that.
Oh,
let me
but
just
I
reply.
thought
Let me
Jaga
just reply. No, so
Um.
if a man pour them heart out to a woman, that can, and you know him kind of get rejected, that kind of make him a Yamed. But just ask.
But I have to know what kind of yam you want to plant.
Me don't know because
Because
It's
it
not
all
safe.
comes down to the point where you
Yeah.
in yourself, you can't tell if somebody wants it or not.
Genuinely.
yeah.
Genuinely want
Yeah.
it or
Yeah.
not.
Okay.
Me just feel like people, remember, you have common sense.
Yeah.
I just some people for use it. Because there's
Okay.
no way I got put effort into somebody that's not putting the effort into me.
Okay.
The more, nobody, I'm not for somebody to love me.
So let's just
Is it?
let me just
That's
throw
why
it- let,
she's
let,
a real
let,
top
let me just
girl.
throw this out there. In
Yeah.
terms of collab, I notice say you have a lot of collabs with Vibes Cartel, and
True.
like I always want to see this collab happen. I don't know if because him kinda, if you call it a Yamed moment,
Yeah.
when Cranium put him
Put the
like out there for you, say him want you. I don't know if because of that make that collab never seem to happen.
And we were
Because I
looking for
feel
that
like
as well.
say if you and Cranium do a collab, no matter what the things I could have my head, my shoulder, my knee, my toe, it was shot.
Are we going to
So
be getting
what-
a collab
what-
from?
what- what's
So
going
your
on with that?
question?
The question is it because of Cranium pouring my heart out on the live saying want you? That's why that
You
no
get the collab.
happen.
Do you think that that's the reason?
Me ask.
May I ask you?
Me think a bag of things sometimes. Somebody just ask.
But come on now, that was entertainment. Were you not entertained?
No really. It
Why?
kind of make a nice couple to me.
You think so?
You can't
Yeah.
say that now.
I'm very much taken.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But
But back to the
collaboration,
yeah.
please attack.
Hold
So
on.
the question is
Hold
in
on.
twofold.
No,
The question is in twofold.
Yeah.
So the first part is, why haven't we not gotten a collaboration from Chanel Muir and Cranium
it has
yet?
not happened just yet.
Why?
Because it timed everything, right? Time does everything, and trust me, something when it comes to music, you can never know, you can never tell. It just have to just happen. You have to just sit down one day and just say, boom, Chanel Muir and Cranium, see there, big song. You understand?
True.
You can't put label. You can't put a label on it.
Yes, that's the reason why we are drinking rum tonight, because me kind of have a feeling, because I know Smaddy in here is in love with you. But because him hear that something there, like God no. Him whole night mash up so. My friend me make a strong drink of rum the next one, saying? But me not buying a rope. Thing alright.
makes sense. At one point of your life, I read somewhere that you were in America a lot. How was life there, and what brought you there?
In America?
Yeah, I saw you was in America quite a lot, like Miami
lived there.
side, and you lived exactly.
Yeah, I live there.
So how was life living there and doing music, or were you not doing music yet?
I was always doing music, even when I got to America. It was just on a minimal when I just got there. I migrated to the US in 2016, but I lived in California.
Okay.
But where in California I lived, it was like far away from all the good stuff.
Country.
Yeah, it was way up in the country at the riverside.
But
over there, so.
you're supposed to use that because you don't grow a country too, man.
Yeah, but me I tell us a different country that.
Yeah,
For me
God.
country where I grew up, mango and them something there, you know, see them in something there, the other country where there, so that's different.
Okay.
You know, so
what's over in that country where you was at?
that country is just beer, dust and beer, hotness and
So it's
beer,
desert.
dry, and there's a desert over there. It was
Okay.
deserted.
Okay.
Yes, it never have no reggae, no dancehall, nothing look around. And the funny thing is too, I couldn't do a lot of things because when I want people to understand, you know, when you have to migrate to the US and on better roads, and you have to get up and go look work.
Better Maka.
Yeah.
You understand? You have to get up, go to work, and you have to get the education has to go up there and stuff like that. So yeah, me have to do my little 9 to 5, me darling. Collect my check on Friday morning. Yeah, you understand? So I had to use my intuition at that point and, you know, get my groove on. I started working at DD's, and that's exactly what I was saying about it. So I started working at DD's, and I moved up in the company quite fast. You know, turn manager and them little something there, but even though I used to do a lot of different jobs, I worked 2-3 jobs at one point because my goal was, you know, to get somewhere for myself, get a car, all the little things that, you know, you want to acquire
Set
when you
yourself
move.
up.
Yeah, set
Yes.
myself up, but it wasn't enough. Like, my creative part was being suppressed, and I could not afford for that to happen.
Can't live
So
like that.
here me, you know, take up my nice clean self, going, I'm a little red buggy, come in, I'm a little Prius at the time.
Yes.
I'm a pack it up and I head to New York. One drive, me and God alone, on the lonely road, them 2,000 odd miles. Yeah, and trust me, if I do it again, nope.
But I mean, it's all a part of your journey.
Yes,
so
definitely.
it must have been
Yeah.
wholesome for you to be looking back at.
Yes, it has been.
Know that where you are in your career and in life at the moment, because I mean those things humble you and it reminds you to be grateful of where you're coming from.
Definitely.
So now that you've gone through that experience, 2016 in comparison to let's go through the pandemic, because the pandemic hit a lot of artists very badly. Shows got cancelled, tours got cancelled, life got cancelled to a certain extent. How did you survive during the 2020, I'm going to say 2020 to 21 time period? How did you, I mean, you had what, 4 years to settle? You've settled, you started doing your music. How did your creative juices continue to flow? I think, yeah, how did that flow and how did you survive during the COVID
so
time period?
as he mentioned earlier, that in the time when I started to surface, songs were more gimmicky.
Yes.
Like, there were a lot of gimmick songs, and I'm sitting there thinking, So what the song them with substance them? I don't understand how I'm going. So no, but somebody gotta come save the day.
Yeah.
So and then another issue was at hand that I noticed too, that we didn't have songs for females who really, for example, in my position, I was working a 9 to 5 at the time, and you know, I don't,
the reality
you know, the
songs.
realistic,
Yes.
the reality of this
Realistic,
of
yeah,
things.
yeah.
Like, me never did I wear a Gucci and a Louis and a this and
Yes.
that, but I still look good.
Yeah.
My little my outfits, you
TK
know what I'm
Maxx
saying?
and you look
yeah,
up-
me look up,
yeah,
understand?
that's true, no, man.
So I'm like, what about these females when I'm in a party? Them want to hear them something to big up themselves because them a save them little
course.
money and you know do what they have to do. So at the time I was thinking about that, and then Papa Dan sent me a rhythm a couple months before, and funny enough, I could not find a song for the rhythm. Like I had the rhythm for like 3 months, and like the third, I couldn't find the right lyrics, and like the third month, when it was the March, I think, it was a March when I got laid off my job. Got laid off the job because the pandemic had kicked in, and then I started to have more time at home where I was able to go live and stuff like that, and I started to write more, and I sat down and I told myself I'm gonna put that topic and empowerment in that one specific song. So when I started writing the song, like immediately the song started giving me goosebumps, and from it, it's like I felt a different feeling that I never felt when I was writing no other song. And it's like, no man, this song is something different. And when I call him, I say, oh Papa Dan, you hear this way, and he say, yo, that different, I eat this. And then eventually after I started to perform the song on live, and I released the song, then I realized that, you know what, the song was picking up like so fast, and then people were starting to listen. And I think that also the pandemic allowed people to actually listen to real talent and listen to the songs, because now they're not so busy. Oh, I'm not going to work, I'm not on party, and so they were able to sit and put in their headphones, because most likely them headphones them listening for another big sound, you know, so they heard it.
As you said that, with the live, first time I see I was when Russian invited me to the live.
Oh yeah.
Just kill it.
Oh yeah.
And then we start to follow her, but she not follow me, what I said. We talk about that later. But no, she followed the point and she sing, I think I did 2. Then the man said, yo, damn. They see him live when Cartel joined afterwards. And from this, so...
It shows your cartel, man. Yeah, doing that.
Bro, anyway, from this, so... She the right beside of her, so you do it. So, that makes it work fair though, so... Yeah, because the pandemic make people actually listen to everybody really, well, them are those things. So it's true. It helps enough people and kill enough people.
Exactly.
So as now you're in the UK, do you do any research like with UK artists is actually doing it like maybe I could learn something or get a collab with one of these UK artists? Know you're on this side.
Well, honestly, I have not done a research on that, but I have heard some voices that I would like to, work with. I've done a song with Stylo G a good while before, a few years.
2017.
Yeah, a few years. Yeah.
16.
So I think that we can do a fresh song
Because now I think the UK dancehall scene is
on a high.
is on a high, and it's very up and coming, because I'm hearing some different trend and some different style, different from the reggae music that is coming, the dancehall music that's come from Jamaica and America. I think the UK music is have a different high. I feel like say anytime we get another 2 artists through the gate, it's gonna be a new sensation similar towards Afrobeat.
It's a good sound.
That's why Dragon just said that as well, and I noticed you haven't really touched on the Afrobeat side as much, because I don't really hear. Isn't it something that you're interested into, or you know?
Absolutely. I just think that, as I said before, it's the timing, because eventually with this UK tour, with other shows that I have, and then with the so many goals that I want to, get to, it's just gonna, remember, Rome not building a day,
And like what you
You
said,
understand?
let's talk about a little bit about the UK's tours that you're here to do now. Yeah, you did 1 show already. You said 2 show already. Yeah, and the next show that you're going to be doing is
In Sheffield.
in Sheffield this Friday.
Yes.
So who will come to Sheffield? What them can expect to see, Chanel?
What them can only one way to find out.
And that is what? Buy your ticket.
Well,
Buy your tickets
Well, the
now.
last show, I see she had twerk and all them things.
You see me at work?
Yeah, me see something go on and
Stop from tell life of me.
Me see what I want to see.
Stop from tell life of me.
So, Brez, are you going to go and see more? We have the 20th and the 12th, so
Sunday
get your
I'm
tickets.
there. I'm at the front.
Oh, Shani. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're rented tile already. Shani is not staying on me. Stay
Brings
on
a
the
big
next
up a
side.
call.
Yeah, stay
I
on
call
the
up
next
on stage. We
side.
get
No
a
go-
while.
no go
Watch
with-
him now.
Nothing wrong with that. Bro, oh, listen. Out.
Oh, and that's your
Alright,
one.
He definitely wine panar. Yes.
Moving right along. So we can see you on Friday in Sheffield.
Yes.
And Sunday in Aldershot. Did I
And
get
Saturday
that right?
in Manchester.
And Saturday in Manchester as well. So your two performances that took place Friday, Saturday?
Yeah. No, it's Friday, Sunday.
Friday and Sunday. What was the experience like for you? Because I know UK crowd can be,
Weird.
a weird crowd to perform to. So what was your experience with the UK crowd?
The first show I had some technical they have had some
They
technical
had-
some
right.
technical
But
difficulties.
for you,
But
yeah.
Based on my knowledge of the business, you have studio craft, you have stage craft.
Yes.
So me know say me still live on my stagecraft.
And
So I work the
improvisation.
stage
Alright.
regardless. You
Even if I one
understand?
person at the crowd.
Even if you understand, but it was a good turnout.
Yeah.
But I manage.
Girl, you're a real top
Yeah,
girl.
talk truth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but I manage myself, and
Yeah.
and they even though some are gonna
You
complain,
worked through it.
I
And
worked
I mean,
through it.
I've seen clippings of it. and
But you see, over Coventry. That's the name, Coventry.
Coventry.
Mm.
Talk the things
I
them
told you
now.
what I saw, but
Me
Talk the things
say,
them.
I
Yeah.
feel like somebody a sting. I feel like me there some fest, me not talk. Me say, listen, man.
Yeah.
Umbrella and everything carrying to the fall out with
Yes.
a cowl. But trust me.
You're going with yourself.
Trust me, I go out with
Go
myself.
with yourself.
Yeah, I'm proud of
Amazing.
myself. I have to clap myself. I have to clap myself.
Studio audience is also clapping you as well. Dragon?
When I know I saw Dragon say, because you could never come here and me not ask this. See? I know you've been a very active, we call it ambassador for the woman movement, the good girl movement. I tell the woman them
Top
to
girl,
empower
she
themselves, and try to do better in their life. But what do you think about this whole ensure thing at Jamaica and like this whole trend about women selling their self and money to the highest bidder? What do you think about that?
Repeat your question.
What do you think about this ensure thing and the ladies that are selling their self to the highest bidders?
What the Highland water? They give the water.
Island Spring.
Let me set me wig good then. What's your name, sir?
Dragon.
Dragon.
What's your?
Nice voice.
Dragon. Me not make nobody spit fire for me tonight. So here I go on. Me, I go mind the business what pay me. Me, I go stay right where I my little lane. Hit me with some other questions.
It's like move it further on in
Moving
the
right
news.
along, my love.
We have one more
We
question.
have one more question.
Dash them for me without warning.
Alright, we dash upon it. Alright.
Yes.
The music you do is lots of feelings, lots of hurt. Is it life experiences or is it just as you say poetry? Is it something we're reaching in our real life?
Well, honest. Okay, so on that part, you say a lot of hurt. I saw me sad.
Yeah, come here and tell
Jesus
what
Christ, me
things.
and Chronic Law must be family.
You know,
See,
say-
Jesus,
say-
see, I say this
serious
Me
stuff,
and Chronic Law
Yeah.
must family. But
I
say
said
anytime me
this.
feel like say me want
No, I say this. See, no one believes me.
Yeah,
I say the same
serious.
thing.
Yeah.
Well, I have had a lot of experiences, and I also use other people's experiences as well as inspiration to write. But yeah, I go through little things,
Yeah, be
because,
with your
um,
weak
Girl, young, but
I remember you said earlier on in the interview, say everybody have that Yamabella phase in them life. Would you like to shed some
you
light
would
on
really
yours?
want to go down this, don't?
Then your business me try
Yeah,
to
but don't
find
cross
out.
that the bridge a long time.
Shani,
and-
let me ask you this question. I'm not see how follow the artist here, but like,
No, you know, say anytime somebody say this, you know, say me not say.
No,
but
no,
always
no,
that them a
that
go say.
question are
Me
different.
not say.
no,
but
no.
okay.
I'm not see how follow me, no, but you have to follow me what I say. So me I say, yeah, write a song about a London promoter. One is on the side of you still, a good one though.
What you say?
Bird.
One if write a, bro, listen.
You
to
want me write a song,
But
Bob?
me,
About a
me
London
personally,
promoter who is sitting
me
next to you.
right beside you, a nice one. I don't know, ballad, good beard and all them something. They can't touch it if you want. Still not pressure you. What? Well, support the song, make
I'm gonna
it
do
in
it.
a
Ladies
music
and gentlemen,
video.
we're going to finish the show at this point in time because Brent's are going
If
to
effort.
What
If
did I- what
effort.
did I
If
say?
effort.
If
No,
effort.
I we're not doing E.
If effort.
So, did I say anything wrong though?
If you said
Yeah,
anything wrong,
joke.
Yeah.
like what?
Write a song and just mention me and say, yo,
You want me to
All
write a
right,
song
you
back?
can't have song and just.
My question.
When I mention
hold
London, you
on.
just say me though.
Where's that shooting shot, man?
We're gonna pay me.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with
As
that.
long
Yeah.
as
Reciprocation,
money
so
talk
if-
and bullshit. walking along.
Alright.
But look here, do you realize she said PM something wrong with that straight away? Transaction.
Makes sense.
It makes sense.
Right,
Work
that's
your work. Don't want a
Boy,
chicken yoga
Brex,
jerk.
as me tell you from the other day, say like it's Chopper them is winning, and like you see me talk about the whole money man thing from what there. You can't have baller than big money, big belly. Sorry,
No money.
me not.
Bro,
no, me,
bro.
me not say, don't you ever
bro.
say that about my friend.
Remember you that was saying I should not. You see, so them wicked.
Oi,
When I say,
well, I know,
well, I know.
Let's
I
just
just
direct
think-
it
no,
back to him.
no,
What
no,
when
are
I
you
say
saying,
I don't
Shadil?
mind, I don't mind my woman. That's not a problem.
What you say, Shadil? Let
Doesn't
us
make
hear your
sense.
thoughts.
So what is the problem, fam?
The problem is that there's none. But the same say, and every woman forget mine.
So you wanna make sure Neil turn in a one you made.
Nothing wrong with that. Really, I'm a bella.
Or you say it's on original.
you
No
mean?
carbon copy.
Oh, so you're selective with the yam
With the
needs.
yam.
You have to be. You can't yam it for everybody. I waste.
Which is right.
I
Which is right.
waste a
I
farm that.
respect.
I waste a farm that.
respect your choice. I respect it.
So yeah, so we've spoken about what it is that you're in the UK to do. We've spoken about your previous shows. We've spoken about your shows that are forwarding up for the weekend. In terms of music, new releases, what is it that you're working on now in the pipeline?
So I am currently working on my EP.
Bad up.
Cause I wanna give y'all a body of work. So
And
y'all can listen to it when we're ready. For drop it, make sure say wanna buy it.
that's the interlude.
phone.
That's the interlude. You understand? So you know that's going to be
Yeah.
track 4.
Me first, go buy
Before we go any further into the rest, how much songs are going to be on the EP, babe?
I'm working on about eight
8.
songs.
So that's going to be track 3. So you give them 1 and 2,
And then the internet.
and then the interlude. So
Yeah,
if them
yeah.
don't buy the song, them can't go to number 4.
Exactly.
Yo, me need- listen,
Exactly.
Simple.
Now buy it. No, how much feet? Me
You're
even want to hear none of you make it.
No,
Mesut-
you,
Mesut
just
tell
get
her.
just get
Where
the money,
is
dog.
that?
You know?
That's
so,
what I
so,
just said.
so 8-track EP.
Yeah.
Do you have a title for it yet?
My diary.
See,
Jesus.
poetry,
See,
So well on your
pen
business
to
in that.
paper. Huh?
Me ask.
Dear
Jagan.
diary.
When you go home tonight, I said, "Dear diary," I went up on live show. I make
But
friends.
never said dear diary, you know. I said my diary.
diary.
All right, my diary. I went to up on live show. I better answer you.
Bread, you shoot your shot already. You're not,
have a
you're not
keep on fire.
satisfied.
No.
She's answered the question
No, I have to
already.
keep on fire. I have to make sure I
We're
be sure.
moving right along. So it's going to be an
I bore
8-track
back
EP.
up in it.
I mean, cool. All
Shoot them
right.
a shot in next time.
Yeah, that.
No, you know, Sabi, I got a laptop. We're gonna close the show. I'm joking. So 8-track EP.
Yes.
I mean, some of the songs we already know, or are they all new tracks?
I'm working on all new works.
Oh, so
All
everything
new.
is going to be forwarded on fresh timeline.
Fresh.
What timeline you working with? So you know, so people have to save up them little,
By-
pen to save the
By
for
if
the
not by the end of this year,
Mm-hmm.
then by early next year.
But it is
But
forwarded.
it is it a forward.
It's in a pipeline.
Right.
So how do you record? Because you're a singer, you're a DJ, you're quite connected with your music, like all different accents. And she's a top girl. Exactly.
Don't let for the bad.
Exactly. How do you go about making music? Do you, because some people hear the beat first, some people write 1st. How do Chanel Moore do it?
I'm a writer, and I do not write in studio. You know, some people are good with that. They just mess the beat and they just drop some lyrics and re. But I have to write, and I could write anywhere. I could have done anywhere, literally. Could have do the things and. But I'm saying. I could write in any element.
Wow.
I could write in any event and we could have done on the plane, we could have in the car, we could have, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I could write. So I have to write first before I get in the studio, because once we get in at the studio, I'm not depend on sit down and meds. No, I'm just straight to work.
So you do
Yeah,
your
because
rehearsals first?
I rehearse it, and then I think that's a great way for me, especially because when I get into the studio, I want to make sure that I have the material ready. So because when you're in a studio, writing and recording is two different, and time is money. Me love, and them studio time and not cheap. You understand?
But you know, stop girl now, man. You know, can't say.
Hey, top girl
Top
on
girl
a
has to be-
budget.
yes, and top girl
You
has to
mean
be
by
smart with her
top
money.
girl
You
on a
can't-
budget.
Not because they reach them stage, I got
So
dash your money. some more.
understand?
nowadays market and the dynamics of dance are set up like a man will send you a beat, and some of the time you might write a song but it just don't fit on that beat. how do you rearrange like your vocals and stuff to make it fit and or match that beat?
So it all depends on. Well, usually if I write a song on a specific beat, it'll go right to that beat. So I don't usually have that problem.
No, normally like you see, you normally write your material before. See if you
No,
write
like
you'd have the
with the
rhythm.
rhythm.
You'd have
with the
the-
rhythm.
with the rhythm.
Okay,
Okay.
you're right. Okay.
Yeah,
that's-
I usually write freehand up, but that was long before.
Okay.
Because I know I have like too much rhythm, so I always I write with a rhythm. But you know, before if I use a freehand, then I always if I should put the song on a rhythm, I work with the dynamics of the rhythm itself. So I usually have to use equipment, meaning say I can't just do it out of my head and just listening to the beat. I have to hear myself on the beat because that's a whole different sound. For example, this if I was just in a conversation between you all and everybody doesn't have no headphones, it's a different sound than when you're
Just
hearing
similar
it
to
through
what
the
you did with the
microphone.
freestyle a while ago.
Yeah,
Right.
so
So,
yeah.
talking about the initial stage of you learning the craft, of any producers or any engineer ever give you like some advice and say like, don't start the song that way, change around the verse from there to there, like rearrange any of your material before.
Yeah, multiple producers I've worked with, they have given me great advice because I for one, I love to be in a studio where it's not me. Me not dictate everything because you can't hear certain things. You're not gonna hear for your own self. A person's in there, they're gonna acknowledge that, and they. I wish most times when other artists are in there, they could step in and say, "Stop be yes man," and say, "Listen, that not sound good. Fix that and put that there." And different ideas, but too many cooks may spoil the broth. But I'm just saying, some advice is good. Yeah.
We're getting some questions from Instagram, and there's one that we want to point out. _ Miss Legendary wants to know how is it that the song "Toxic" with you and Daddy One, how did that come about? How did that come about? Talk to us about that.
_ Miss Legendary, big up yourself. But that song came about because I was once in a very toxic relationship.
Again, life experiences.
Yeah. Me did in a when me said toxic, me said not even waste management couldn't manage it. Me said not even waste management couldn't manage the toxicity.
Were you a young girl at that time?
No, I was not. I was
yeah.
not. I don't even want to get into details about that because that's all in my past and I've done past it already. But it was because basically when you listen to the lyrics of the song, you could tell that it's like both party they love each other but they just can't stand each other. So it's like a water and oil. You get me? So it's like but.
I just one of them things there.
They go past.
Yeah.
I just one of them things.
I just one of them things. You understand?
And on the I don't know if
Cause even alright, so let's reflect on the song. You don't good for me, me don't good for you. Love on a summer we practice. The two of we together too toxic. You see me?
Yeah.
Bro, God, you a act like this are the circumstances of the spotlight. Cause you know I'm crazy, you know I'm shady. Easy for fed up, easy for jealous. Stop yelling on your life and you know that too. You're no more than me, I'm no more than you. Worse, no boy can't style me. And I wish on you would that try me. You understand?
Yeah.
It speaks for itself.
It speaks for
it's
itself.
self-explanatory, right?
And I don't know if my next question is. Let me just ask it from fresh.
Yeah.
So we know that you were with Good Productions.
Yeah.
That was your management team.
Yeah, previous management.
Management team. And we have heard through the grapevines that the relationship has split. Do you want to give us some highlight? Because we've been asked. I mean, as you know, we're one of UK's top dancehall reggae.
Not one,
We are the top dancehall reggae. People ask us questions, and we're just here as the messengers. So don't shoot us. If you want to talk about that relationship and the breakdown of it, and where you are at now in your career in relation to management, are those too many questions? Or you
Well, no, I can
all right,
answer
so let's
the
start
question.
first. Talk about the breakdown of the relationship between Shania Muir and Good Productions.
So first off, whichever grapevine you hear that through the vine sour.
It's sour. Bitter.
The vine spoil.
Okay.
It want regrow, dig up, and grow again.
All right. So
understand?
So let us clear the ear.
As far as I'm concerned, unless me no know what go on behind the scenes, but from my side of things,
Yes.
me and good have no problem. We good.
We are good.
So me no
Okay.
know if
nothing else are going over there, so I need
That
to
is
know
not
about.
good.
You understand? I don't know if y'all need to tell me something.
No.
I'm
We're just,
something here.
as we said, we're just asking the questions that we that are being thrown at us.
Am I missing something here?
No, just tell us what's
darling,
happening.
I thought
That's
so.
it. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, but we're good.
You're
We're good.
good.
I just want to say this. We could use this to do as a rebuttal to the whole thing. Me and Good Production, we were a team.
Yes.
It's always been business, and we ended business on good terms.
Amicably.
That's it.
That's
Okay.
good.
That's it.
You are Ramesh them.
Huh?
You are Ramesh them. No good?
So what for the man, Ramesh?
Me don't know. Me just a ask.
So what kind of question did you ask me?
It's just a
If
question.
you are Ramesh them good.
What for do me and Ramesh them?
This are yes sir. You no good?
Me say what for the what me hear
Me
something?
don't know. Me not hear nothing. Me just a ask.
So how you just get for ask that so?
You are
Clock
Ramesh them
him.
good.
Yes.
It's no,
no,
a
me Ramesh
dragon.
them no good.
I walk one.
Something go on. Me no know, you tell me.
Wait, so that
Yeah,
great vibe there, so what? You want to dig up too?
That's so dumb.
Me, what kind of question is that?
I know because nowadays in dance there's a whole heap of speculation showing across from each side because they're saying because of Shensea's recent success, people are saying like most of the dancehall artists they are bitter towards Ramesh camp. So I'm just asking you what is the relation between you and Ramesh Entertainment? Everything is good just like in the lockdown where Mitchell gave a nice company
Dragon.
to my life and thing.
Dragon, let's bring this back to a Chanel Mirror interview. please. Thank you.
Right. So
Thank
we
you.
spoke. You cleared the air about you and good. On a good. You good with them good with you.
Pretty much.
What's
yeah.
happening with management now?
What's happening?
What's happening with your management career now?
So they're in the background, but yes, I have a wonderful team.
Which is working.
Yeah, it's working.
Never
it's
put in
working.
the work. Big up yourself.
I have a wonderful team. Big up my management team,
Part of the
same way.
team
You
is here,
understand?
you know?
Big up Good Production, same way.
Same way.
Because you know that one thing I do, I appreciate anyone that's been on my journey. It doesn't matter if you come long and you're still there, or you come part of the
What?
Why when I say come your face change?
What?
So when I say come your face change? Oh, what happened? Something to the word come? You alright?
Hey, listen, when you finish, make sure you watch while I interview you, because if you can't see Bread's
Jesus
face
Christ.
while you are talking, so that's
Because yo, me know say possible for you blushing your head up, you know.
Yeah, but what was I saying? Yeah,
anybody
anybody
who
has
has
been
been
on my
supporting you on
journey
your
and
journey.
has been
'Cause
supportive
it's a
and
learning
anything.
curve.
Because exactly,
It's a
and
learning curve.
you just have to understand people in the media have to understand this as well. Not every time that somebody leaves a company, they leave them on bad terms. That person, two parties can come to an agreement to decide to part ways. So it's them, you know, the media does always love take up things and twist it and turn it like so them a wash and ring out and them someday. But it's not like that. And people who know me or know of me or you know they watch me and stuff like that, they'll know who Chanel Muir is. I'm not with the bullshits. I'm not with the mix up. I'm not with all that type of energy. Because at the end of the day, I respect myself and I respect my work and I respect who I work
Worth.
with and my worth. Exactly. So if anybody I gonna try to compromise that or come between that, then me I don't know I gotta have a talk. You understand? And I for one I don't clear up rumors. I let people talk whatever they wanna talk.
Cause you're a real top girl.
You understand? Me a real top.
You know,
I'm not time for the bull. I'm not time for the bull.
I don't know if me can. Well, let me you know what? Moving right along. Right.
Yeah.
So your career is in good hands, and I'm sure
Yes.
you look comfortable and you look confident in what is happening,
you.
and we do appreciate the support and where you are at
Thank you.
right now.
Thank you.
As Rick said, you look very happy. You look
Thank
settled.
you. Well, you know, say good news that show for me.
yeah, no compliment.
Right?
Thank
and we
you.
know that we can speak. I mean, in general in life, once you are at a certain place, it shows from the inside out. And
Truly.
I mean, it's clear.
Truly.
She's glowing. There's 10 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. We have 10 minutes left in Nigeria, girl.
I like to tell him I feel I want to talk like more.
No, we can't talk a little bit more. I mean, if we want, I'm joking. But we have a little time.
Yeah,
Because
man.
there's some aspects of the show that we usually do. I'm going to hand it over to Dragon, but I don't know if you want to.
Why I'm in a trust
Wait.
dragon, you know?
Well, baby girl, you see right now, you see that little part of your career, it's in a hour on.
Dragon.
And that part here, that specific moment, it in Dragon has steered the ship. Dragon is steering the ship. You have enough alcohol in your cup, my friend. You want to top up?
Wanna say now?
Your time now.
So you are going
Are we
now.
gonna do the request now? Or are we gonna do it
Jagan,
after?
let me
Wait,
give you a disclaimer. If you want us to be
Disclaimers
friends
don't
when
work
I
on the
leave
show.
here, behave yourself.
Disclaimers
Yeah,
don't work on the show.
Jagan, she upset and leave, you know. Like a leave
I'm on my
too.
best behavior, love.
Oh.
You know what? True.
I'm on my
True, you know?
best behavior. Trust
He
me.
is on his best
Yeah,
behavior.
he's on your best
Chanel,
behavior.
Yeah.
Chanel,
Yeah.
Don't worry.
he's on his best behavior
Page
today.
him with
Are we
that
gonna
book,
do the
Hey,
request
page him with that
first?
book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you wanna do it? Then?
All right. So some people I request a song, yeah. You know.
Some people call the people them name, man.
No, some Wolpa girl. I request a song. So before me go in with like a part, me I play about 30 seconds of that little song, yeah. Because you know some of them are that type of woman. Yeah. So I just play that song, yeah.
You will let me
Shiny on her again. Oh,
true love and loyalty.
yeah. Top girl, but put my head on the block for you. Take a boy pint, take a shot for you. If it's a crime, then you know me do the time. Give me the rhythm, and you know me find the right.
Big up the side chick them I like when you see.
Because I know fear.
No, the whole of the riff them I like when you see.
No one will left me like say we go.
Them type of girl me I talk about.
Because-
Riff them will broke all fight for you. Alright?
I you know say me loyal to you. Yeah. Do we think no drama? Yeah. Please don't forget this. Come in and go live on. It's gonna be me and you forever.
So, this me I talk about the loyal cruff them scene, the loyal riff them. Because I know every girl can be a side chick and be loyal. You get what me I say? But anyway, I play that song now because it's a request. We are going at it now. You know what this is the part? We'll play some song, no, some rhythm. And Chanel or just do anything she feel like. She could have sing A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 or anything, alright? We'll play some rhythm. Yeah, no.
I can't cuss and go on myself.
Yeah.
Alright. See it can now. Give me time to take your time because it's sleepy when it's slide the team. I love the when you long till I bend the pussy grip. You trying to clean me now for up my cock it up. Me up the when you come between the pussy I hate hard for leave. Man know for use it something and drop it and drip it till the week. Love it when you use the mic and make me something speak. Up in a me hole because the fat girl and a freak. Up the muscle if freak up the cocky bite it like a teeth. Cocky tough like grizzly. Up in a me niggle. He could me once and not give me no a liquor. Send it na me I make me suck a jizzle. Where you go now? Alright then. Cause this is something full of lucky night. Squeaky, I must see rubber ducky night. Pussy warm like say a pot lucky night. But pussy no fin yams and no sucky night. Voila, no broke boy can't broke night. Top girl you a fuck star stucky night. The one fuck for my game him stucky night. Round the clock, pay, clock. I show me up the ice, try to bop a mighty pussy night. But please nobody all me exit try to spot me oh. Pussy no free rape for you for act politely nice and easy go and go boy. If a girl a try to tell you no. Them got the glue but I me got the factory. Pump my Porsche, them pump my taxi. Now overheat like Samsung Galaxy. Alright. A blood spill me no kill with courtesy. Black heart evil dark inside of me. I mean no happy pull that trigger for your hurt you see. The people broke in your soul Mr. Burglary. Oh this you say me never heard of you. Cause if you want to be known me bring brood of you. Go ahead. What else? Something else? You know done with me yet? Alright. My gun name 55 minus 10. Many girl try this, me minus 10. Shut in a lungs like a virus 10. Me make gal wheeze like a sinus friend. No me no left it in a me drawers waist. And a gal can't box me, I'm a pussy clot face. Me no ramp it pop off me a gal me no trace. Oh me fit trip on me shoes nah no lace. Run up in a stop playing me in a dragon. Stop playing me in a dragon. Stop play.
No, run with him. You have 5 minutes. Run the rhythm.
All right.
Run the
Bad
rhythm.
girl ready, man? Hot girl ready, man? Alright,
Sit
what's up,
now.
now?
Anything want me way me buy that. No one can borrow girl clothes. I me no see the boy if he call me out me name. Hey, I know say me explosive. Cause any game I play me if he win come and I take closes. Swear that I the truth. Regular me if he tell a boy do say yes. Any game I play me if he win come and I take closes. You know me not take doses. So you really feel say me I go sit down and make a boy clone me. Any man me there with a fi hold me up. And if you ever hear set up girl and fight over man when you see me reborn. Cause me a girl me not tame. The little girl can't call on my name. And if I know me and me team, and I chop in a click, when I don't watch the face. Be like, never believe me when me tell you some love about your game, and I swear about your feelings. And if me tell you certain thing, me wanna judge your call life, no come without meaning. Why'd you go and change on me? Now hearts will be bleeding. I think it's unfortunate, cause I shoulda never drawn my yard. Yeah. Oh, yeah, go on, Sir Gun.
You know, you know me. That's something I feel like say.
A hot jagger, you know.
That's something I feel like say. I want like a rhythm when I feel like me hear one Chanel and Cranium Pan.
Yeah.
Want like a crossover, half dance, kind of half hip hop kind of beat type of something. You know, yeah, alright.
Any Cranium man Chanel will do a song. You have to involve some form of sexual. You just can't just go.
Sure.
Did you all tell Cranium this? Because you're telling me a lot, you know.
Yeah.
You're gonna call him later and
we
tell him
did.
no.
Alright, make sure to tell you.
No, you're gonna call him later, man.
Me?
Yeah.
Me, when me
Oh, we know saying secretly
You're not
record
calling
this
that
and I
one,
go
that.
send him the
Talk me
voice.
talk about.
What
Brad,
kind of
check-
conspiracy
Brad, check
this?
Check the phone, now, man.
Bro, I'm not calling.
Remember, say.
And me there, I get a wife and me lock off that year.
What kind of conspiracy is this,
Yeah.
man?
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, Chanel Muir brought some heat to the. Yo, in the afternoon.
Yo, best interview, yeah, sir.
In here are odd. Chanel,
You're
big
too
up it.
biased.
Birds around there sweat.
No.
You're too biased.
Red,
No,
Red
no,
is
no,
sweating,
listen.
sweating buckets
If anybody don't know me, me not care more and say, the best interview so far for me.
for you.
Yes, for me.
All right then, sir.
Nothing else can
Um,
top girl interview. You see me? Oh, what?
Trouble.
Y'all heard it from Breads. That was Breads, ladies
Breads.
and gentlemen.
Yes, just make sure that you
That was Breads.
make sure
Aye,
that
aye,
this
aye.
came
I
out.
watch that shot. Aleph. Not go on. Just a follow back, but I look for you. I appreciate it. You see me?
Watch out, me I'm making
Yeah,
dinner.
yeah.
Where
And that's
Instagram?
about.
Where Instagram, Brad?
Bread.
I'm hearing some
Yeah.
information in the background. Yeah, that's
Eh?
oh my God. That one
on
they
now.
can't talk
Aye.
about ear.
That one that
That
done.
one that cannot be spoken on the talker phone.
See
no.
that?
I
Yo,
want it.
people, see that? When I care, see my friend.
Okay, I'm gonna now show what going over this.
I am me.
Show up. See
Okay,
that?
Follow back.
okay,
Squad.
Yes.
Yes.
You
Go on,
get your
definitely.
follow back.
Second
Squad.
shot has
Right.
I get your follow back.
See that, I am
Wait, say,
good in that,
wait,
good
say
in
that,
that.
that one they're going to goal. Second one. And second
See
one.
that right now, brothers
Eh?
living here, them
Did
like
they talk
Casper the
about?
Friendly
No.
Ghost.
Breads. This more I want to ask because earlier when you forward,
Yeah.
you said that you meet the queen. Is this a bigger moment of meeting the
By far, you mean it? Talk about, bro. Yeah, man.
No.
So this a bigger moment than
Yo,
What do you mean?
you know what better go to your
What do
mother
you
and
mean?
say, Mommy, I made it!
No. You know what go on? I make
Alright,
it already, but no, I'm just endorse it.
You just endorse
Yes.
it. Chanel, thank you ever so much for passing through.
Thank you.
We appreciate you as an artist. We appreciate you as an individual.
Facts.
I mean, you're on the Open Live show, so I mean, you know,
Thank you.
me a top girl for the man them.
That's what I said to
You understand? Me can't say the man them a top, not top man, not done. You understand?
Yo, a Jamaica top man, something we can't or something. We just there, yeah.
So anybody who is not following you on social media, they must not have a phone and no data.
Which is right.
So if
True
they're
that.
not following you just yet, where can they find you on social media?
So if they're not following me, you can follow me right now. Take your phones out and
Take
type
it
in SHANEIL Chanel Muir on Instagram. I'm on Twitter as well at I am Chanel Muir, and I'm on Facebook. You can't miss them because they're verified pages. So, you know, if you're not listening to Chanel Muir just yet, make sure you go over YouTube and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Chanel Muir, and I want like a music sign right beside it, one crochet.
Is that your government name?
Chanel, yes, it is.
See, now
See, you know what's
you remember,
magnificent
you know,
theme,
she's
bro?
very upfront
You know
and
what?
she's
No.
very honest.
Listen,
Yes, it is.
let's
Yes.
say.
I've never been in Jamaica when there's
No, it's
man
on
up
TV,
again.
bro. It's on TV.
No, we don't see Jamaica.
See, what's it, see?
One like in us. Yes,
I would say- I
When
would
I
say-
see JBC News, I see. Is there such a thing by JBC?
Bro, TVJ.
How old are you?
I've got the app, bro.
Please.
See.
You're
When TV off,
Yeah, show your age,
bro,
yeah,
you
show your
when
age.
TV signing off.
Calm down, my
I'll
friend.
hang up your phone.
Yeah, true. No,
Please
but
check
Rick,
to
no, but
ensure
true.
that
From
you have
this
enough
on.
credit to make
make
this
this
call.
call.
If you do have enough credit,
dial
please
one.
hang up and call.
I feel like I say he was in a Sherry Charity.
You know, she's so
Oh my God.
Rick said
Oh
no,
my
no,
God.
no.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those who have missed majority of the show, only should have there from 9 o'clock. I'm just saying. Remember, we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. You know, no reason not to be on the Up and Live show's Instagram page at 9 o'clock. If you're here at 9 o'clock, you will. I mean, but if you do miss the show or YouTube channel, it's there. Just make sure that you go over and you subscribe from now, because it's a weekend time when the video drop. You hear the ping, that's the notification.
Yeah, no, and if you don't
You
miss
know,
that week, yeah, on definitely see on my page next 2 weeks on.
yeah, because you know, say Brett,
Yes.
you know, remember say
Bruh.
2 shot him shooting.
Brother,
Him.
I've already.
The net is
Listen,
going to
shot.
be burst. Yeah, him
Right,
shooting.
right now, I don't mean if I don't. She a shot of fire.
Say that.
But people, here we go on now. You come out from the chicken back Tuesday, see
Yes.
there? Birds in a
Chanel
happy
eat
mood, so
chicken
you
back.
know, say, yo, right
Oh,
now,
Money I go spend.
But 50 case of champagne breads are buying now. You know, my friend, good.
I choose it. We can't do that something.
You're not
What
work
you
tomorrow.
mean?
You tell me, say, you're not
What
work.
you
I
mean?
choose it.
And work, so you get shady. No, you're not going to work tomorrow,
though.
though.
I bring
Yeah.
yeah.
Then that me I tell the bird say more champagne you buy. If you not spend your money, me not forward, you know.
Yo, me hype and boost.
That me I tell you right now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Right now, me feel like me retire from Rumfield night, you know. Different bra thing.
Thank you ever so much for joining us this week. We do appreciate your support. People who are on our Instagram Live, Facebook, and also on TGM UK. TGM Radio UK's app. Thank you for joining us. Remember, we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries, Styler London, and Self-Paid. Next week, Wakasuno. We'll have some things in our pipeline for you know.
That is real.
So we're in our sweat. We might be in here. We might need buckets of it. Yeah? We
Yeah.
might need, yeah.
Chanel, I have to give some-
Dragon All Star.
You know
Same.
the thing
Yeah.
about people. Love your brother, love your sister, love rule in everything you do. And once you read a book in them, say brain poison, brain power. Until next week, people. Peace.
Peace.